think we maybe got it. Hi, and welcome back. We got a little bit of time to shop this evening, not much, but figure we can go ahead and this side paint that inner rocker, the underneath flange, go ahead and punch it, and then we'll paint the floor paint area just a little bit with the weld through primer. Hopefully it'll dry pretty quick. We can attach that. And then I'm going to get the bottle jack from that shelf over there, and we'll jack up the dash just a little bit, enough to get the measurement we need. And then once we get that, we'll put the kick panel back up there, make some marks so we know where to drill holes. I don't know if we'll get to that tonight, maybe. I'd rather use my step drill bit, but it's broken, so maybe just use regular drill bit if we can. Anyways, drill some of those. You know, if we get really far, sanding that off and painting some weld through primer on it, getting it looking kind of nice. But the main goal is to get the inner rocker attached, painted, and get our measurements right as the main thing, and then we'll start fitting the kick panel after that. So let's head over there and get to work. It's a little bit darker out here in the evening than it is in the morning. But like I said, we'll can't really tell. Need to punch more holes in that lip, paint it underneath, and then we'll go ahead and clean this off a little bit and paint a little bit right through here. Don't think I really need it, but rather have it and not need it than not have it and need it. And we'll go ahead and make our anyway, I got one there. I guess I didn't drill, yeah, I drilled the dot right there and right there. It looks like maybe right here. So I'll secure it again, and need to paint this back piece back here with some weld through primer as well. Anyways, if we get that done, bottle jack, measurement, then we'll fit the kick panel up here again, tack it in, make our marks around everything. Not necessarily that, but right up through here and around so we can drill it out. Anyways, let's get busy. Gonna let this dry for a minute. I think we got everything covered over there that we needed to. And I don't know why I painted that side, but it's done. Got that painted pretty good. Got this painted. Not sure I needed to, but thought, you know, what the heck, why not? Got that painted, and where it butts up back here, it's painted as well. I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit and come back to it, put the inner rocker on, and get the bottle jack and start messing with this. All right, I think I gave it enough time to dry. What we're gonna do is put the jack under here, probably with a piece of metal, kind of keep pressure on the brace. They're gonna use this bottle jack to push the dash up. Hopefully this won't move. We'll check level on it. And once we get it set, I'll put the kick panel back on it, tag it down in there with some self-tapping screws. I think we could do a couple up there, some up there, some in the inner rocker. Try to hit this, maybe. Anyways, kind of get it sucked to the actual pans. Is that dry? That's dry enough. All right. Yeah, made it through all that mess. I thought I broke my whole dash. I just pulled that weld apart. I really need this anymore. Pro tip, make sure that's the right length you need. Because once I got this fit, how it fits over there, this came down considerably. This was up like this. So I'm thinking that maybe we're all right, maybe. That's pretty good for me. The real test now is to let this down. See what happens. Don't believe anything moved. And these ain't gonna make a difference. All right. I think we maybe got it. Didn't quite line up down here, but that's to be expected with these aftermarket pans. Only thing is, I'm gonna take this back out. So I may move this bottle jack to right there. Maybe, or I may just snug it up here again. Leave that jack like it is. We hit almost every single one of these except for that one. Just missed it by a hair. So I might get a Sharpie and go on the back side and mark all this out, especially down through here, so we know where to drill for spot welds. But I'm thinking that we may start welding it in. So I don't think I can get any better than I got it now. No matter what I do, it's relatively level all the way around. So I'm thinking next time we'll keep it like this for now. Make sure nothing moves overnight. Probably put the ball jack there, or maybe right there. I need to move over there so we can weld. Start by marking this where we need to. Drill some holes for spot welds. Then we'll take the, I don't think we need to take the interlocker off. We can leave the interlocker on. We need to weld it to the brace here, across here, all these welds in here. Weld up our seams again. Not as big as last time, so I don't think I'll worry about too much of a goop. And once we get all that welded up, we'll put the kick panel back where it goes and start welding it. We got a lot of cleaning to do, get all the rust off of it. I need to go ahead and spray the inside of that one with that rust preventative, just to keep it from doing this, flash rusting. And got a lot of cleaning to do up through here and underneath. Of course, this needs to be hammered back down over this lip right there. So I'll just go down like that. We'll get it better than that. Yeah, super excited. I think we're pretty good with it. Super happy with how everything's fitting. Next time, hopefully we'll get the kick panel right and we'll start welding. That's all I got for you today. See you next time.